Hello, hi everyone. Master Kwasha here. And so, the 7 day retreat, you're gonna really immerse yourself in nature. You're gonna really connect yourself in nature. You're really gonna connect your body and your soul. And you're really gonna clear a lot of those emotions that are not serving you. In the 7 days retreat, you're gonna learn a new way of relating to your inner dialogue, your inner and external world. In this 7 days retreat, you're gonna get to know who you are. You get to rediscover what makes you happy, what makes you joyful, what makes you love life, what makes you enjoy being on earth, what makes you have joy in your life, what makes you have some fulfillment. In this 7 days retreat, you get in the 7 days retreat, you really get to love yourself. You really get to know who you are from the depth core of your being, because we're going to explore different ways to awaken our soul. We're going to explore ways to bring your authentic self, to bring the true nature of your soul, the true nature of who you are. We're gonna remove all this past conditioning and past influence that is blocking our happiness. We're gonna remove all this pain and trauma that that have caused you to have a lot of issues and problem in your life. That sometimes it blocks your energetic pathways. So we're gonna clear a lot of those issues that you may have from your childhood or from any situation that you may have that caused you to have some trauma. Yes. And so we're gonna also work your inner child. We're gonna really learn to connect to nature and move in a way where you are like a child full of life, where you can see magic everywhere you look, where you can connect to the beautiful Hawaii and what it gives to you and what it can provide you to awaken your soul, to to bring the best part of you, to bring what brings you happy, what brings you fulfillment, to really awaken that divine authentic nature that you are, to really makes you feel so alive and invigorating, to really connect with the universe, to really enjoy the beauty of Hawaii. So you can connect that in the 7 days retreat and you get to know yourself more. And it's such a beautiful opportunity to to learn to love yourself deeply, to learn to be happy, to learn to be alive and to live and breathe every moment of life. What a beautiful and marvelous experience that is. So that is our invitation for us, for you guys to come here, for us to be able to bring you to this place where it's called uh, the beginning of creation, the island of Mu, the Lemurian place. So there's a lot of healing energy. It's a root chakra. We're gonna learn to stabilize your being, your root chakra, and all that brings you some stability and ground your energy and spirit here. So as we embody the spirit, the divine within us, you will feel calm and strong and powerful. That is the island. And we also have fire energy here through our volcano. It's very powerful. So we're going to ignite the spark within your soul. So awaken that so we can align your purpose that brings you here in our world, to align your purpose in your divine nature that is harmonious with who you are. So it's gonna be very exciting time. We're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna have a lot of healthy food and exploration and It's such a beautiful place to be, to awaken that inner spark within, to awaken that spirit within, so you can be your true self, your true authentic self. Yes. So I'm so excited uh, to have you in this retreat. So come and join us. It's such an honor to serve you. Mahalo.